How to change profile name on WhatsApp. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Solution YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set or how you can change profile name on WhatsApp. So let me get inside my WhatsApp, and then now what you have to do, you have to simply tap on the top right screen. You can see here there will be a 3 days on the top right of your screen, so you have to simply tap on this, and then you have to click on these settings. Now here what you have to do to change your profile name on WhatsApp, you have to simply tap on this profile icon here. So after clicking here, you will find the name option. So to change the name, you have to simply tap on this pencil icon on the right hand side. Now here you can see there will be an option, so let me just show you in Android. So let me just tap my name and click on save option, and guys, here see my name has successfully changed. So guys, in this way you can change your profile name on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.